everybody. In this video I will show you how to use CSS to HTML elements. Okay, now let's start coding. Let's make a simple division, then yes2, this is header. Then let's have another division, ul li 1, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, 1 2 3. Let's be 1 2. Now we refresh this. Okay, now let's have another division. Okay, this is a paragraph. Let's have another division. This is footer. Now you can see I have used divisions, and within the division some text have been written, some tags have been used, and the page is coming like this. Now let's see how to use style. To use this style, I will be specifying class for these divisions. Okay, class header, then for this class menu, for this class main, for this, for all these divisions I'm using class set. Okay, footer. Now let's specify style for these classes. Style first header. Okay, width be 100%, padding be 20%, not 20%, it should be background has CC FFCC. You can see now, you can see the white space between this division and this browser window. This can be eliminated using universal selector and specifying a margin be 0. Okay, now you can see it is removed. Now let's specify menu, class style for menu, width be 20%, background color has FFCC whatever it may be. Then for main, width be 75%, background color has CCFF11. Then padding 10 px. Now you can see the change here. Then float left, you can see the change here. For this also float left. Now you can see the change here. Okay, now let's specify style for footer. Width be 100%, clear both, that will clear white space from beginning and end of the division or that element. Let's give padding be 20 px, text dash align, center font dash family B. Okay, now you can see the changes. Okay, in this way we can specify style for HTML elements. Color B has C223. Now we can see. Now I can change. I have made this menu as 20%. This is 20%, and this text is coming on the 75%. If I make it 80%, now let's see what will happen. Now this division is taken to the one step down compared to this. It is not coming in the immediately after this. This is because we have written some padding also. So this is taking more than 80%. This main is taking more than 80% because of this padding. So in order to make this one menu to be followed by this main, what we are supposed to do is, in the universal selector we will be specifying box sizing, and then specify the border box as a property for box sizing. Now you can see after making this my 80%, Now it is all correct. So in this way we can use style for the HTML elements. Simply I have used the class selector, but we can be using id or we can be using HTML element itself. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.